The number one question that I get is pulled pork. It's simple, it's easy. Come on, I'll show you how to do it. First, season your Boston butt. We're gonna do a base layer of Caribbean AP rub and then a top layer of Caribbean honey heat rub. I have my smoker set at 225. There's no time on this, go to temperature until you hit 165. Once you hit your internal temperature of 165, we're gonna pull the Boston butt off the smoker, double wrap it in foil, add a half cup to a cup of apple juice, and put it back on the smoker until you hit an internal temperature of 205. At this point, you're gonna take it off the smoker, put your butts in the cooler, towel on bottom, towel on top, and let it sit in the cooler for at least 2 hours. This will give you the most tender pulled pork you've ever had. Now it's magic time. You want to get a clean pull. You can use your hands or you can use 2 forks, but make sure to pull it and not chop it. There's a big difference. Feel free to add sauce or when you're plating, but this is your pulled pork 101 recipe. Share it with a friend and you guys have a great summer. I'm Kurt with Caribbean. Take care. Bye.